team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage V, the kitchen, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The sizzle and snap of meat cooking filled the kitchen. Delicious smells came from the ingredients. None of the chefs busily preparing meals had time to notice the sounds or aromas. It was Friday night, and the kitchen staff were frantically preparing entrees, mains, and desserts for the customers, waiting eagerly in the main dining room. The manager, standing at the back of the kitchen, smiled. It had not been this busy last summer, he thought to himself. The new menu was working. Questions. Why didn't the chefs notice the sound or aroma of the meat cooking? Why might the customers be waiting eagerly? Why did the manager smile? Where is the manager? Where are the customers? Why is it so busy compared to last summer? Now let's check the answers. Why didn't the chefs notice the sound or aroma of the meat cooking? Because the chefs were busy preparing meals. It says so here in the third sentence. Why might the customers be waiting eagerly? Two possible answers. Because the food at the restaurant was delicious. It says so here in the second sentence, or because they wanted to try the new menu mentioned in the final sentence. Why did the manager smile? We could say because the restaurant was busy, or because the new menu was working. Where is the manager? The manager is at the restaurant, standing at the back of the kitchen. Mentioned here. Where are the customers? The customers are waiting in the main dining room. Here we go. Why is it so busy compared to last summer? The answer is there in the final sentence. Because the restaurant has a new menu and it's working. Thank you for your time. How did you go?